Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate lifetime on Firestick, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate lifetime on your Firestick, start by turning on your device. Ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Firestick home screen. Use the remote to select the search icon. Type in lifetime using the on-screen keyboard. From the search results, find and select the Lifetime app. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the Lifetime app. You will see a welcome screen with sign-in options. If you already have a Lifetime account, select the sign-in option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Lifetime account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your account. After signing in, you may receive an activation code. Take note of this activation code. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the Lifetime Activation website. Enter the activation code from your Firestick. Click the Activate button to complete the process. Return to your Firestick after activation. You should now have access to Lifetime's content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.